Hi, ako nga pala si Michael Jacinto, co-owner ng Mr. Xiao dito sa Mandaluyong. We started our business last April 28. Itong year lang din na to at um, we're thinking of a business na gusto namin simulan and napili namin to si Mr. Xiao. Ang founder nito na ay si Mr. Patrick na taga Malabon, and he started three branches already dun sa area, sa location nila. Well, yung aming classic Xiao na siya yung mas mabenta sa lahat. And pumapangalawa si Tapa. So, yung dalawang flavor na yan yung mas nangingibabaw sa lahat ng flavor. Well, ayun na nga, si Mr. Xiao ay may 8 iba't ibang flavor ng shawarma. And we can serve it as shawarma rice, yung large siya. And we have Xiao Silog with 8 different flavors pa rin. And rice bowl with 8 different flavors pa rin. And we do have now our pita na with 8 different flavors pa rin. We are serving our shawarma rice from Tuesday to Sunday, 4 p.m. up to 2 a.m. po ng madaling araw. And you can visit us and taste the difference.